Can we have a meaningful quote, please, at the noise? What was that one? What was that? Say something sensible. You lot are useless.
Hi, I'm James and I'm in Val Thorens. So this morning I had a ski lesson and then my mates had an off-piste adventure, and after that I flew my drone for a bit.
Is that a gym thing, that foam nonsense?
I don't know. It looks cozy.
He's certainly an idiot.
Stay there, everybody. Look at me. Colin? Oh, bugger off then. A little off-piste. Go on, turn. No, you're not. You're going to turn in there. You can do it. Come on, commit. Well, that wasn't a very elegant turn. Okay, guys. It is. This is the hard bit. That was good.
No matter